Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view white page in Word dark mode. We start by opening Word. First, let's check the dark mode settings. To do this, we go to File and then we enter Options. Here, within General, we verify that the Office theme is black, but that the Disable Dark Mode option is deactivated since the option that we will see below will surely not appear. We click on OK. Afterwards, we will go to the View section and here we click on Switch Modes. This will allow our sheet to turn white while in dark mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.